Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. I'm Emmanuel Arce, the Ultimate Gardener. My goal is to help you guys grow in the garden industry and help you guys become an Ultimate Gardener. So in today's exciting sprouting video, I have the second part of the garden renewing series for you guys. We are tackling a small area aside of my shade house that has been neglected and has been building up trash over the time. So this morning I went ahead and tackled that area a little bit. It's already set to be planted with a few gorgeous plants. So today we'll be planting the Rico Suave Hibiscus from the Hollywood Hibiscus company. A few videos back, they sent me an amazing hibiscus, you guys. Great performer, great size, great flower, amazing hibiscus, you guys. So that will be planted in that area because we do have built-in irrigation in that area. And also I'm gonna be planting one of my new trial plants for 2021 for the Ultimate Hibiscus company, which is I think the Sparkling Wine Mahogany Hibiscus. That I think would have named the I'm of course be popping up pictures and the titles of each and every plant I mentioned today in the screen for you guys. So I think about 2 of those plants will be in the ground there because I don't want these hibiscus to go grow vigorously and then clog up the irrigations that's there. So yeah, so let me go ahead and set up the camera and show you guys the planting. Guys, all plants, both hibiscus have been planted, fertilized, and watered at the same time. So once again, we planted the Hollywood Hibiscus, Rico Suave Hibiscus, which is an amazing hibiscus, you guys. And then we planted the Sparkling Wine Mahogany Hibiscus from the Ultimate Hibiscus company, which is of course one of my personal ones that we'll be trialing this year. Who knows when this will certain variety will be released, because this I planted from seed and created, so this has gonna take pretty sure a pretty long time before it matures, and then we'll be able to start production from it. So who knows, maybe this production will start towards the end of 2021, or this production will start completely next year in 2022. So that's an amazing thing, you guys, that hibiscus might not take as long as other plants that started from seed, but it might take some time before this certain variety is released. Yes, we do have other hibiscus in production right now. We do have other hibiscus that aren't getting worked on, so they could be released once we hit 1,000 subscribers. And yeah, so all of them have been watered. This area is so beautiful. I can't even imagine when these are going to be blooming and showcasing their amazing colors. So that's gonna be it for this exciting sprouting video, you guys. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Make sure to go subscribe to the Ultimate Hibiscus company and the Hollywood Hibiscus company. Both links are down below and channels are gonna be up here for you guys to check out. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this exciting sprouting video. Once again, thank you so much for the support. It means so much to me and to my team members. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out. Thank you all for watching, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.